Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check the storage on your iPhone, step by step. This is super useful if your phone feels slow or you're running out of space for photos, apps, and videos. Backhand index pointing right. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon. Backhand index pointing right. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Backhand index pointing right. Now, tap on iPhone storage. Here you'll see a bar chart showing how much space you've used and how much is available. It breaks it down into categories like apps, photos, media, and system files. Sparkles, if your storage is almost full, you'll also see recommendations like offloading unused apps or moving photos to iCloud. These tips can help you free up space without deleting important stuff. Raising hands, and that's it. You've just learned how to check your iPhone storage in under a minute. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover storage cleaning tricks next.